gets my goat, though? I mean, all this talk about race this, race that, ethnic this, ethnic that. I mean, when you come right down to it, there's really only two races. Workers and bosses. That's it.
Amen.
You hear what I'm saying?
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
Can be no gangster pushing no Hoover, man. Hear me now. Can be no gangster pushing no Hoover, man. Can be no gangster. Can be no gangster pushing around now. Can be no gangster pushing around now. Living like a man now. Where's your guns now? He's a gangster man now. What's your crown? If you're free now, where do you be now? Gangster, now pushing no man. They cry. Can't be no gangster pushing no man. Why I think now, gangster pushing around now. No BMW now, no Jaguar now. SBO man, Daddy old man, pushing around now, pushing the Hoover, mopping up the ditches and eating up at a 175. Oh, fight for your health. Lick I ain't a roll, lick your living roll. No Jaguar to carry you far. Just a little baby, make a madman smile. Oh yeah, yeah. Can be no gangster. Can be no gangster. Can be no gangster. Rock 'em up and stay there, rock 'em up and there. Rock 'em up and stay there, rock a little where. Rock 'em up and stay there, rock 'em up and there. Rock 'em up and stay there, rock 'em up and there. Children now to never regret, just turn right into do my thing. When I sing now.
We grow copious amounts of ganja, yeah?
Yeah.
And you're carrying a wasted girl and a bag of fertilizer. You don't look like your average horticulturalist. That's what I mean, Willie.